Enganzi y'ihanga Ruben Nabanja nagira ngo abantu kuza omukuhinga omwani emboga hamwe na n'ebindi ebiri kureta sente nicija kurahuka kubiha mu bworo.
He who granted them power may assist them to lead his people to goodness. For this we pray to the Lord.
Take advantage of this program to fight poverty, especially for those who are not yet in the money economy. Engage in high value crops, especially the local communities, those with limited land. You need to go for high value crops, coffee.
Enganzi y'ihanga hone yahananjeriza abantu okugumana birukanjira okuganyirwa mu program za government. Nabanja wona nabwe arabwire bakuru b'amashomero obwagunuze ngo omwaka gw'2019 mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akihaho sente zabire zishabwa amashomero okurugomba zira hansi y'enkora ya PTA.
And I want the parents, government has been constructing schools. We have been paying your teachers and we continue to pay them. So that is a cost that is already cared for by government. And so whoever is charging our parents is doing so illegally.
Bishop wa Fort Portal Diocese Right Reverend Robert Muhirwe wakorisa mu gishogo okujumira robo rw'enguzo burengeserize okurwo mu ihanga agumize ngo hashemerire kubaho okwegaruka mu bantu
durwanira obukirire uko tusobole kutaha mu iguru abo bukamobu yatukingulira okura mukufa no kumbuka kwe agwe kikuru muno twetantale ebi bino nganda gamba ekibi kyemye panko ekibi kyekinega obutaganyira
ogunagira ngo emeze y'ubuteshengereza obugara hamwe n'ibindi bishemerire kukomaho
tufuye ngeso by'obugara bukitesengereza obugara bukutasoma ikigambo cya Mukama leka tuyakambe mu kwikiriza kwaitu
omulisa yabwejura yabututweka yento we banezara mu cyando we banena bugwayo igambiro omulisa etyo bwange nabwejura no kwatweka atu no omulisa we yabwejura yabutweka parish kibanyiso bujunanisibwa
amakuru agashakwa Jonathan Tsingwire.